Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to manage dual SIM settings on the Samsung Galaxy A07. For that, just open settings, then tap on connections. And from here, just tap on SIM manager. And on this page, you will be able to manage the dual SIM settings of your Samsung phone. First of all, under SIM cards, you will be able to turn on and off the selected SIM card. For an example, if you are not using SIM 2, you can turn it off from here and select turn off. And if you want to turn on your SIM card, you can turn it on from here. Then select turn on. Under preferred SIMs, you'll be able to select a specific SIM card for a specific use. For an example, if you tap on calls, you can select which SIM card you want to use for your calls. And if you select ask always, your smartphone will ask you always which SIM card you want to use for your calls. After that, you have the option of messages, and from here you can set a specific SIM card for your messages. And also you have the option of mobile data, and from here you can select a specific SIM card for your mobile data usage. And finally, you have the option of data switching and backup calling. And if you enable this toggle, your smartphone will automatically switch between your SIM cards in case if the selected SIM card is not connected to the internet. And this is how you can manage dual SIM settings on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.